Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete folders on Outlook. You can easily delete folders on Outlook that you have created. For this, you need to first open your Outlook application, or you can go to any web browser and type in www.outlook.com. Then you'll be taken to Outlook's website. Here I am using Outlook's application. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be able to see navigation pane on the left side. If you are not being able to see, then you can click on three lines present on the top left corner. After this, here you'll be able to see the folder that you have created. Now know that you cannot delete the folder that is automatically included on Outlook. You can only delete the folder that you have created. Now look for the folder that you have created. Here I have created a folder named Hello. After you select the folder, you'll be able to find three dots. Click on the three dots. Now here you'll be able to find delete folder option. Click on delete folder. Now Outlook will ask you if you really want to delete the folder. Click on OK. With this, now your folder will be deleted. Now know that after your folder get deleted, your items present on the folder will be deleted as well. This is how we can delete folders on Outlook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.